You might want to sign out of your Apple ID, but you're concerned on what will happen when you do so. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about what happens if you sign out of your Apple ID. Without further ado, let's get started. So, for example, you open up your settings app. Let me just go back to the page and click on your name right at the top of the settings page. At the very bottom, you should be able to see the sign out option. So I'm gonna click on it. And first, it will ask you to enter your password. So enter your Apple ID password for your email to turn off Find My iPhone. So that is one feature that turns off if you sign out of your Apple ID. Your Find My iPhone feature will be turned off. So your iPhone will not be located if it ever gets lost if you don't log into your Apple ID. So more things that would happen is that it will remove the Apple ID from your entire phone. So that will basically include the linked accounts or the linked app information. For example, your FaceTime or your iMessage, it might disable that feature because you are not logged into a certain Apple ID. Now, another is that it will also might remove the saved passwords. Not remove, you won't have access to your saved passwords, to your bookmarks or reading lists and things like that from the Safari app, or you may have still access to it, but it won't be synced or updated from time to time as you save your passwords or as you save bookmarks because it is not linked to a certain Apple ID. Also, if you go to the App Store, you might not be able to download an app without logging into an Apple ID. So that is basically it on this topic of signing out of your Apple ID.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.